All right, let's get this Bugatti inspected. Checklist is ready. Good, check the pan. Let's see the engine specs. Pistons need replacing, and the interior trim. This bolt is almost there. Good, I'm fitting the turbo now. All right, let's get it torqued. Make sure that edge is fully coated. Got it. Just finishing this panel now. Running the final diagnostic looks good. Confirmed. All systems are optimal. Great. Closing the interface. Alignment is locked. Recalibrating torque. Confirmed. Lowering the vehicle.